Hello, my friends. It's been a long time since I made since I made the last video. I think my English got rusty again. Of course, after three months of not using it, really, not every day anymore. The next video, like after this one, is gonna be about Sisak. So now, or maybe I will do one first about the dormitory that I was living in, that I would recommend, that has some ups and some downs. Anyway, so today I will just give a short preview, a short look over, give some information, some basic informations about studying in Croatia, having Erasmus in Croatia. Why in the summer? Why going to Zagreb in the summer? In the past, maybe since I can think of weather in Croatia, it has been very hot. Like at the coast and in the continental parts of Croatia, it has been sunny and very hot, something in between 35 to 40 degrees everywhere, or even hotter. And unfortunately, the past 2 years, including my Erasmus, were not as stable. Like before, we had like 3, 4, 5 months of very hot weather, and last year and this year it was terrible. Maybe some of you remember the floods in Croatia, but also in Serbia, much more, and in Bosnia. Terrible things happened. And we have this now in Croatia for the third time. Meanwhile, like even after my semester ended. Anyway, so it was really rainy. Out of 5 months that I spent in Zagreb, 4 were rainy. And when I was having holidays at the coast, it was also rainy. Like out of 20 days, it had been raining for 3 days, plus some days that were like half sunny, half rainy. 1/5 out of, let's say, 500 students, foreign students, were from Poland. Many of them had an unknown destination in the beginning. They could choose 3 cities, and in the end they could only pick one because of whatever. The Erasmus program is a mystery in some points. Anyway, I was dedicated. I wanted to go there, and some of the people who went there also had like they knew right at the beginning that they wanted to go to Zagreb, because you can also go to Rijeka, you can go to Zadar, to Split, to Osijek, but it's not the same position. Like when you're in Zagreb, you can easily go to Austria, to Hungary, but also to Bosnia, and of course to Ljubljana, and there are good connections to Belgrade, although it's a long ride. Whatever you take, bus or train or, well, airplane, I don't even know if there is any connection. So finally, I have accepted now, after 3 months, that my Erasmus is over and this great time has ended. Next time I'm gonna speak about the well, I love it. I love this dormitory that I was living in for all those months, but it's in some ways it's a ruin. But on the other side, I had the greatest time there, and not because I think if I was in another dormitory where it was better, like where the building was better, where everything was new, etc., I think I would concentrate more on this than on being with other people. I would concentrate more on. I would not concentrate on spending time with them, talking to them, etc., because that was not the point, like living in a new building, etc. So anyway, the dormitory is called Cvjetno naselje. It's situated near to the neighborhood that is called Cvjetno naselje, which means the flower neighborhood. Uh, there are a few high buildings with flats for normal people, usual people, workers back in Yugoslavia, etc. You know what I mean. And there are a lot of small houses for like single families with big gardens, cats running around, flowers and trees flourishing everywhere in the spring. It was very nice having a walk 15 minutes to the philosophical or human studies faculty. So that's the basic information that I will provide you. But I will show you the position in Zagreb, like how long it takes by train to get to the city center. What else is near? Other dormitories that are more expensive, newer,